Hello guys, welcome, and in this tutorial we will know how to create such complex model in SketchUp. So here I have just created this one. Okay, so here we will use few plugins to create such complex model. Okay, so let's start. So first you have to use free plugin BJ toolbar. Okay, and you have to select cubic bezier curve option. Okay, now you have to just click and draw the curve line just following this profile outer race. Okay, just like that. Click just like that. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now here we need to move it this side, and again we need to draw a back face. So here I'm drawing from here just like that. Okay, you have to follow this pattern. Just click over the face like that. Okay. Okay, now here you can see that there is a we have a two kind of curves, first one and second one. So here we need to move it little bit in front. So here I'm typing 6 or 9 inches like that. Okay, then we need to move it, just moving it over here, over here. Okay, just like that. Okay, now here I need to edit it, so just select the curve line and then click over here. Okay, just like that, and same thing from bottom. Now it's done. Now here next step is you have to use curviloft plugin. So just select both curve line here and then click over here to connect the faces. Okay, and just again click over here to create the face like that. Okay, no final step is you have to just go inside this group, and then here we will use joint push pull tool and drag the mouse to make some thickness like 30 mm. Okay, now it's perfectly done guys. Here you can see that. Okay, so this is the process to create such a complex mm, model in a SketchUp. So guys, if you really like my video, please share, subscribe, follow, and if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment me in comment section. Thanks for watching. Have fun and see you next tutorial guys. Thank you.